Namaste and hello friends. Welcome to my video. In this video, I am going to give you the code walkthrough of the small voting app. You can see in my browser with URL localhost 4567. It means this app is running locally in my machine. So first of all, let's see the demo of the app. You can see this is a very simple page with a header, welcome to the Foo restaurant. I'm asking the user what's for dinner and there are 4 options available. Let's cast the vote. I will be choosing hamburger right now and then I will click on this button cast this vote. Then you can see the message thanks for casting the vote and you have chosen hamburger. Let's see the results. You can see there are 4 options and right now we have only one for hamburger. Let's cast more votes. This time I will be choosing noodles because I want to eat noodles and then click on this button. You can see your cast as noodles and then if you go to the result you will see noodles as well. Now let's jump into the coding part. So this is all the coding required to build that application. It's a very simple coding. You can see just like 35 lines of code. Here I have used Sinatra, which is a small and simple web framework written in Ruby to quickly create web applications. And I am using YAML store to store my data into a format known as YAML. You can see there is a YAML file at the left and this acts as a database for our this simple app. So this is the demo data. These are the choices I have put. The HTTP GET request in Sinatra is implemented like this. You can see it just get, then the URL and then do, and inside the implementation of that URL and then end. You can see with these 4 lines we have implemented a GET request for the root URL. I'm setting the title as welcome to the Foo restaurant and setting index as the view, which is through ERB and index. This line will render this part, the views part, that is index.arb. You can see, okay, what's for dinner, and the same thing if you see here what's for dinner. Then post is the same thing, okay, and I am using params to capture the vote cast by the user, and then using the YAML store I am storing the data, and same thing for result. On the left panel you can see public and CSS folder. Under that we have style.css, which give the styling to our application. Under the views there are all the views of our application. The main part is layout.arb, which basically give the structure of the application. You can see this is the important line, the line number 10, which is yield, which basically responsible for rendering the other layouts, that is cast, index or results. So that's all for this demo.